This 2025 Forest River Aurora Sky Series 280 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Reno, Nevada, 89511 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Reno. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features Sleeps 10, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.